There are two ways of adding customers into Ricochet consignment software. The first is to go to Accounts, then down to Customers, and click the New Customer button in the upper right-hand corner. The second way is to add the customer at the point of sale. So if you're at the POS screen and click the orange plus button next to the Consignor Customer search field, the New Customer window will appear. And most likely you are going to be adding in new customers when you're checking them out, so this might be the method you most commonly use. Now there's a couple of reasons to add in customers into Ricochet consignment software. The first is if you add them in and attach them to sales, you can track their purchase history within their customer account. The next is if you ever use layaway, you do need to attach a customer to finish a layaway sale. Adding in a customer will also allow you to use the built-in rewards program within Ricochet, so customers can get rewards points depending on how much they spend in sales. If you also get an email address from the customer, this will allow you to email them their receipts, as well as utilize our MailChimp integration to send your customers marketing emails from MailChimp. So at the new customer window, you can go ahead and put in a first name and last name, and this will allow them to be attached to sales, added to layaways, and track their purchase history. If you add in additional information like phone number or physical address, that can just be stored for your own records. But by adding in an email address, that will allow them to have receipts emailed to them at the end of a sale, and for their information to be sent to MailChimp. Now, if you are using the MailChimp integration and your customers specifically say they do not want to receive emails from you, you can turn off the email marketing toggle button at the bottom of the screen. The Notes section will allow you to make any notes about a customer, and this information will only be visible within their customer account. Now, there are two other toggle buttons available, one for tax and one for Is Consignor. If you turn off the tax toggle button, then whenever this customer is attached to the sale, the tax on the sale will automatically be removed. So if you have a situation where a customer has a tax-free ID number, maybe they're a reseller of furniture or clothing, you can turn tax off so that way you don't have to worry about doing it at the point of sale. Next is the Is Consignor toggle button. This comes into play when a customer purchases a few items from the store, but then decides to come in and consign items. If you look up their customer information in the Accounts section, and then turn this toggle button to Is Consignor and hit Save, that will move their information on over to the Consignor section. So really the idea is it's expediting their Consignor account. Now if you go ahead and click Save, that will save this customer into the system. And to look them up at the POS screen for future sales, you would just type their name into the Consignor/customer field. And if you go to Customers and look up their information, you'll be able to view or edit their current account information, view all of their past purchases, and layaway sales.